So our next topic is percentage. So we have covered many topics before of arithmetic means. So I think this is the last second or third topic of the arithmetic. So the last second or third topic is our percentage. So in this video we'll just cover the all the questions or all the basics which are related to percentage. So what is percentage basically? What is percentage? So this is the formula everyone knows, I guess. So percentage means everything, like we like total of 100, right? So if we see, like, we'll just understand it by example. So here it is 25% of 36. How to find it out? So 25%, the sign of the percent is onto the 25. So it is very obvious that 25 divided by 100. If we have to remove the percentage sign, we'll just put the 100 in the denominator, right? So 25 by 100, this will be further simplified as 1 by 4, right? We'll just divide it by 5 and we'll get it as 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 36, okay? 25% of 36, 25% is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of 36, that means 1 by 4 of means multiplication is into 36. So 4 fourths are 36. It was very clear. So 4 nines are 36. So moving further, 18 is what percentage of 3? As we have seen in the previous question that 25% of 36. So here it is that we have to find the percentage, right? Previous question it was given ki 25% here and we have to find out the answer. So here answer is given, but we have to find out what is the percentage, right? So we'll just put it like how the way we were solving the 25% of 36, right? So we'll go that 25% of 36 was written as like this way. So we will write it as dash into 18 is equal to 3, right? Then the dash would be written as x by 100, right? Because we have to find out the percentage. So percentage would be, the denominator would be 100, right? So it is quoted as 18 is equal to x into 3 upon 100, right? So to simplify, we'll just multiply 100 by both the sides. By multiplying both the 100 sides, here the 100 will be cancelled out, and here we'll get the 1800 on the left hand side. So we'll get the answer as 1800 is equal to 3x, and by simplifying the x, we will get it as the 1800 upon 3 is equal to 600. Fine. So here we got the answer. So moving further to the next question, convert into percents. How to convert into percents? 0.002 is given. So to convert the number into percent, we will just multiply it by 100. For converting, we have to just multiply the number into 100. So we will just multiply 0.002 into 100. So by multiplying the number into 100, we will get the answer as the percentage, right? So here we got the answer as 0.2%. Fine. So moving further to the next question, we will see that 7 by 25. How we will convert this fraction? The fraction, we have to convert the fraction to percent. So converting the fraction, we know that here the denominator is 25, and we have to make the denominator as 100 to convert, because percentage is represented as 1 by 100. So we'll just put the formula and we'll just divide 100 into 25 and we'll get the answer as 4, and we'll multiply 4 into both denominator and numerator, and we will get the answer as 28%, because 28 by 100 is equal to 28%. It can be written in both the forms, right? Now 3.131, so it is very same as the question number 1 that we have solved before. We'll just multiply it by 100 and we'll get the answer. Fine. So moving further to the next question, we'll just look out the next question. The next question given to us is 12 by 5. Same, the question we have just solved now, 7 by 25. Same, 12 by 5 into, we'll just find कि 100 से ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो डिवाइड कर जाएगा. So we'll just divide 100 by 5 and we'll get it as 20, and yes, 12 into 20, 240, we get it as an answer, and our percent is 240%. fine. So it is very easy. We have to just find and just we have to make sure कि fraction में है या normal digits में है. Fine. Now 1/400. It is very clear because we knew that 400, that means 100 is included in the 4, right? 100 and 400, like they are just a mixture. So we'll just see कि before in the previous question it was like 5, 25, 26, but in this question it is 100 is already included. So we'll just divide 1/400 and we'll get the answer as 0. Then we have to put decimal and we'll get the answer as 0.025. Fine. So we have to just look the denominator, in which form the denominator is in. Now moving further, we have to convert to a fraction, like we have given the numbers in the percent form. So 16%, 16/100. It is very obvious that if the sign of percentage is given, that means it is by 1/100, right? So we'll just divide and we'll see by which number it is divisible, and we get the answer as 4/25, right? 24%. Same, we'll just put 24 divided by 100. We'll just divide it by 2. We'll start dividing it by 2. We get it as a 12/50. It is also divisible by 2, and we get answer as 6/25, as 6/25 is not divisible by any number, right? Now we get the number as in decimal form, 0.036%. Same, we'll just put 100, and in the same case when we'll remove the decimal, we have to make sure that we'll just apply zeros, right? 100 is another one, and we'll just apply the decimal zeros also, right? So by removing the decimal, we'll just get the answer as 1000 in the denominator and 1/100 as a percent form. So we get it as 9/500, and 500 is simplified as 250. Now 9/25,000 we'll get, right? Not 250, 25,000, as we'll divide 100 two zeros. We'll add the 2 zeros of 100 also, right? Now we'll see the equation as 125%, right? So it is very also obvious that 125 upon 100, and we'll divide, and at last we'll get the answer as 5/4, right? We got the answer by 5/4, right? Moving further, 1/4%. 1/4, same as we did. 1/4 into 1/100. We'll get it as 1/400, and we'll just simplify it, and we'll get the answer, right? Now 50%. 50% of 12. We have solved it before. Take some time, solve. And now I'll solve that 50 upon 100 into 12. It is also very clear. We get the answer as 6, right? It was very easy question. Now 24% of 24 upon 100 into 2. Just understand the depth of the question, and you will just find out the way how to solve, right? Just understand the depth of the question and the language of the question. Okay, now we got the answer as 12/25, right? So by dividing 12/25, we get 0.48 as the answer. Moving further, an item is priced at 20% more than its wholesale cost. If the wholesale cost was $800, what's the price of an item? Just understand the question. The item is priced at 20%, and we have to find out the price of the item, right? So we'll just see कि 20% of the wholesale cost, right? We have given in the question, we got the wholesale cost, and the wholesale cost is 800, right? So wholesale cost plus the answer we get, like जो 20% हम निकालेंगे, that will just add up, sum up, and we'll get the answer, the item of the price, right? So how we will find the 20%? The wholesale cost is given as 800, and we'll just multiply, we'll find out the 20% of 800. So finding the 20% of the 800, we get the answer as 160, and as given as explained in the equation, 160 plus wholesale cost, 160 plus 800, we'll get the answer as 960. So we get the answer as the dollar of 960. So the price of the item is $960. Fine. So if you like the video, do share and subscribe.